Just okay? Yeah. No, the best. Not okay. Oh, the music changed.
Okay.
So I don't know.
We talk about it.
Maybe we could maybe take that part out, or maybe
We have
music, or the first move needs to be big. Or maybe. No, that's too. I think it has to be big. Da 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 da. 哇！我现在知道大家为什么，因为我来之前他就说要地道他们那个。怎么想的？因为想突破一下，因为突破了吗？完全突破了吗？完全跟以前不一样。我要的就是这个，我要的就是这个。
Henry， 别玩玩具嘞，要迟到了。
来了。
We do fast there. So I'm here.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
其实我有一个 timing， 就是我在地上，它其实这个拍子是 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 7 8 and 1 2 3 stop 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 boom。 7 8 and 1
你们要加油啊！好的，好的。啊，再过2个小时以后我要加油。
对，知道，好。
Okay. Just that. Everything else, attitude. I think this one is attitude. Point.
Yeah，世界一流的 QQ。
You're gonna win every round.
Yeah。
那个你们推那个的时候，那个我不知道彩排的时候可能就有点，还是要保持那个状态。
推他的那个。
就推那个，不管你在拿这个的时候，就这个表情还是要你们还是要表演，因为他们有 close up 的那些东西。And Boris, if your hat falls off, it's okay.
Yeah, I know.
Right? So don't, it doesn't matter. Falls off, it falls off.
Yeah, sure.
No. It's okay?
Yeah，这太。
OK，两次，绑2次。鞋带呢 ？OK 咯
OK 啊，
没有不 OK。
OK 了 OK 了。
No， 你要2次。OK， 没有，我是说再做一个，不要再紧一点，这样的话不会，对，像就不会。OK， 再另外一个，我来，哎，我来。OK， 我怎么比你们紧张啊？
不要紧张。
我怎么这么紧张呢？ 有什么准备动作我可以让我最放松？
最放松。
现在能做的
First no air pose 就是最好的放松。
air pose。
Yeah.
从现在开始认真啊！
对，
哎，刚刚让给他的，让给他们，我们现在要开始了。You big baby， big baby， I'm big baby。
You can't understand the
Next time, I verse you.
Okay.
One that I've called out.
Oh wait.
Okay? Pop and see, call out Henry.
Okay.
Okay?
Let's do it.
Okay? But happy.
Yes, of course.
Okay, so don't cry.
你今天的 party 很厉害，
哎，没有，
你自己偷偷的练招，就你这个，你做好多东西你都不知道吗？
I'll miss you, man. I'll miss you. Yeah, I'll really
Stay
miss you.
funny like this, right?
Yeah.
Stay funny like this. I want to see you again.
Okay.
Good pop, good pop. I like it.
Really?
Yes, of course.
It's hard.
It's okay.
You want to join? You can join.
Yeah.
No problem.
对啊，
是那么专业的做这个吗？
对啊。
我的这个是钢琴的，这个是钢琴的，我记得。这个角度 OK， 来一个，哎呦，哦呦，
本来我们也是这个，
本来我们
也是这个，
本来我们也是这个颜色，
也是这个颜色，
对吧？
没关系，也可以加入我们队，我们队很好啊，真的。Everyone gone？ 哎，Where's Chica？ Chica！ 还有，我们终于可以，哇 ！Everyone hold hands， we can let's just run around and be happy。第一次看，
因为没有排练给你看过，没有跳给你看过。你看了这个作品，其实我想知道，就是你看完这个作品，你有什么感受？
因为我觉得最好的一个部分是你们把那个每一个那个不一样的那些 style 融合在一起
OK，
最有惊喜。然后那个音乐其实全部都是你弄的嘛 ？Did you make the music？
You know, when you the man，
主要是这个是音乐选的太好了。
他做了6个小时。
Next time I can help. It's really easy for me, very quick. Yeah, I'm really quick with editing. Okay, and I have it all in my hotel, so very quick. If you need help, I can do it. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. 以后这里我做这个很快很快。
你会加 beat 吗？
会那个就是很快，对我来说很快的一个事情，所以你就可以问。Hey, you're an actor. You're an actor, yeah? Go to Hollywood. Hollywood.
ハリウッド。
一番です。
ありがとう。
可惜了，哥，还想跟你做一个下台。对，哎，真的太可惜了，真的。有机会，下次再见。OK。You are the best in my eyes. 没有，那个是五对5的。
202应该是 freestyle 吧？Okay, the music was for freestyle.
5 of us, yeah. That was the one. But I think the second one is more.
I think you like
it's good for you, right?
The second one is amazing.
所以那今天音乐
It's okay. But no. Destiny, it's okay.
Destiny.
We'll make the best out of
We're
it.
gonna make it.
We're gonna do it.
We're gonna make it.
Puppy's so good. No. My pop is because of you.
No. I love your feeling. Rainbow, like old school. Yeah.
Very awesome.
Yeah, very good.
Because before, when I was young, I watched all your and then practice.
I love your feeling. Your energy is very good.
First time.
Yeah.
I never freestyle in my life. My first time freestyle.
Today.
No. I've never. I couldn't hear the music. Even when I practice alone, I couldn't hear. We have the leg move. I went up on his leg, right?
Oh yeah!
Okay, first time. He's shaking. So his name is Chicken. Chicken legs. He's my chicken. Puppet C. Oh, Puppet C. Chicken. OK， 大家。练到几点？9点。
差不多。
Oh my god！ 真的辛苦了，叫他辛苦了。元気です。本当に？
はい。元気ですか？
no ちょっと。いっぱい no 元気 no 元気。She said chicken because popping is chicken legs. She said hip hop is strong. Popping was weak.
I see you on stage, right?
All right, let's go. 轻轻的跳啊。什么感情呢 ？Most handsome in Russia?
Yes.
Yeah? You sure? No question?
Maybe not sure.
Not sure? The most handsome.
But they choose me.
They choose you. The most handsome in Russia.
Maybe.
It's very good,
like a
yeah.
face.
Yeah, only the face, right? Yeah. He's very confident. It's good. 我每天都会帮你翻译的，这样。
好的好的，为什么这样？
专门翻译的。
玻璃间呢？
不知道会翻到哪里去了。
OK。
If you need me to translate, I can translate.
Okay.
Yeah, everything.
I need.
You need?
Yeah.